WP GDPR Fix will notify you whenever there is a new update available and whenever we make new features. So it's very important for you to follow these updates and get the latest update possible. And right now the notification system is inbuilt in the plugin. When you go to the plugin page, it'll check the website that we have for fresh versions, and if it finds a fresh version, it's going to update you like this. It's going to tell you new update available version 1.6 and this is the release date, and you can click on update now to download the version immediately, or you can click on remind me later to come and work for it the next time you come and check out the plugin. When you click on update now, the new version will be downloaded to your computer immediately. So it's actually contacting online, download it now. So here's the updated file. Click on save file and the plugin will be saved to your hard disk. And to install it, you need to go to plugins. First, deactivate the version of WP GDPR Fix you have, and then install the plugin that you just downloaded using the add new plugin, and then clicking on upload plugin and by browsing to the file that you just downloaded. So this is how the update system works currently. We'll be improving it in the next few days, and I'll be notifying you with a new video when that's done.